Preuss Pets in Lansing is a spot many families go to when they want to learn about animals, get supplies, or even find the perfect pet. Today we are turning our cameras to the bird department and learning all about a woman who is basically a bird whisperer.
We have one of the most amazing bird departments in the state of Michigan.
Thank you so much. You're such a good baby.
For 40 years, Debbie Preuss has been the beating heart of the bird department at Preuss Pets.
These are called violet Indian ringneck parakeets. I am manager of the bird department. I always have been, and I've been to many conferences around the country.
A love that started when she was younger.
We were blessed with every pet growing up.
And now she helps these birds grow up with some heartfelt TLC.
I buy all the babies here when they're anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks of age. A little precious little food coma.
But she doesn't do it alone. She has help from her family and employees. As the co-owner of Preuss Pets, a landmark in Lansing, Debbie has seen her love for animals get passed down from generation to generation.
My mom is very determined. For me, growing up watching her, she taught me resilience, keep going, keep pushing, keep being positive. She works with one of the most, I would say, challenging animals in our store, and she's really good at it. You want someone working with birds that really knows what they're doing, and she's that person.
Although Debbie has a lot of other responsibilities that keep the store going.
And the payroll, the banking, day-to-day business operation stuff behind the scenes.
It's the birds at the store who will always have a special place in her heart.
So it's so important that these babies find a committed forever home.
For Fox 47 News, I'm your neighborhood reporter, Tiana Jenkins.